Hey fam, welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about what to do if your BRP card expires by the 31st of December 2024. Okay, but before I go on, my name is Tari, and on this channel we'll talk about UK visas and immigration. We'll talk about life in the UK, how to safely and successfully travel to the UK. We'll talk about how to navigate through life as an immigrant living in the UK. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. So like I said before, today we're talking about what you need to do if your BRP card comes to an end by the 31st of December 2024. I'm also going to be talking about what you need to do if you do not have a BRP card. Say for instance, your BRP card has been stolen or you've lost it. I'm also going to be talking about what to do after you've replaced your BRP card. Okay, thank you so much again for coming back to watch my channel. And for those of us that are wondering what a BRP card is, it's a biometric residence permit card. It's been given to anyone that's coming to the UK for more than 6 months. So if you're coming to the UK and you're going to be staying for more than 6 months, before now you will get a BRP card, a biometric residence permit card. However, this biometric residence permit card is being phased out and will be replaced by an eVisa from January 2025. So the BRP card comes to an end by the 31st of December 2024, and from the 1st of January 2025 it's been replaced by an eVisa. And I've done videos about this before, which I'll link up here for you to have a look what the eVisa is and how to actually register for an eVisa. But there's a lot of people that still have their biometric residence permit card. And in my previous video, I said that you will receive an invitation letter from the Home Office telling you to go and register for an eVisa on the gov.uk website. However, the government has released a statement saying that you no longer need to wait for an invitation. You no longer need to get an invitation. If your BRP card comes to an end by the 31st of December 2024, you can now go to the gov.uk website to actually register for an eVisa. So in order to register for an eVisa, you will need your date of birth, you need your BRP card number. There's a number on your BRP card, I think either at the back or at the front of the BRP card. You need that. You need an email address or your telephone number. You also need access to a smartphone, because once you've registered, it will send you an email and ask you to download and confirm on the ID and check ID app. Okay, so you need a smartphone for that. Okay, so like I said before, one of the requirements is your BRP card. However, if you do not have a BRP card, like I said before, you can use your passport to register for an eVisa, or your application reference number. Okay, so those are the 2 things that you can use if you do not have a BRP card. Again, you can use either your passport or you can use your reference number from your application. So that's really important. So once you've done that, all the details on your visa would now be linked to your eVisa online, to your account online. Okay, and it will also be linked to your passport. Okay, and once you've done that, the advice from the gov.uk website, I think this came out on the 6th of August, is that you do not throw your BRP card away. Now we're saying that the BRP card is being phased out. What most people want to do is, okay, I don't need the BRP card anymore, throw it away. No, that's not the case, because you might need it in the future. Say for instance, you want to apply or renew your visa, okay, to ask you for your previous BRP card. So you need it. So even though you're not going to be using it to prove your identification, to prove your status, you might need it if you need to renew your visa. You might be asked for it at one point or the other. So please, the guidance says you need to keep your BRP card. And the final thing is, if you registered for your eVisa online, if you created an account online and you're not able to see your status, your details on your account, then the guidance also says do not worry, because that would soon be uploaded. Once it's been uploaded, you will get an email from the UK home office telling you that your details are now online, because it's a process thing. A lot of people are being registered, a lot of people are registering their details, a lot of people have been invited, some people have not been invited, so it's a process thing. So do not worry, your details will eventually be online. Okay, so this is just a quick and short one. I thought I'll update you quickly. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.